Okay, guys, the Nasdaq just tagged the ATR here and exhausted. So we're looking at a reversal from the ES to continue a little bit lower. There goes the YM.
Order filled.
Okay, guys, gonna give it some room.
Short signal Aapl.
Okay, Apple going down now.
Short signal SPY.
There you go the SPY, guys.
Short signal Aapl.
Short signal ES.
Power of correlation, guys. See the dots here. Correlation. You don't need to fight the market, guys. Everything
Short
is
signal
here.
ES.
Everything is here, and these markets are extremely correlated. They sneeze, you know, exactly at the same time. Now I understand these guys that that say they sell basket orders and all that. That's why they trade, because they trade big volume. It's something that you need to be aware of that. There's big institutions moving large amounts of money. That's why you say, how can these guys be trading all this money? Of course, they develop software that buys and sells in baskets all around the market. This software, guys, will improve your trading, but you need to be patient, guys. Don't fight the market. Don't. Once you hear the signals coming in, just you can trade the market. Just don't fight the tape, and don't fight the trend. Okay.
Target filled.
Okay, we got filled the first one.
Target filled.
Look at the micro ES.
Target filled.
Screaming short here. Okay, guys, that's it right now. Nasdaq just reversed, so we tried to make a short here on the YM. Didn't work out.
Order canceled.
We canceled that trade. Okay, YM is very directional market. Nasdaq is trying to go again higher, but you never know. You never know what the market will do. One good trade, guys, and that's it. Well, I was hearing, the SPY and the Nasdaq, and everything was going lower. We see the tape momentum. Okay, the more information you have, guys, in your charts, the better the trade's gonna be. Okay, it's important to follow stocks too. Stocks are very correlated with these markets. Okay, with the futures market. So everything moves exactly the same. You see the Nasdaq divergence here.
Long signal Tesla.
Okay, now you see Tesla going up. You heard that, right? Tesla is going up, so the market is pushing up. Okay, you will not enter long right now. So, market is not pushing, because the tape is the mandatory here. If the tape doesn't move, you don't make anything. Okay, so we're just gonna wait, because the market can wiggle around, and do nothing. It's very important. Capital protection in front of everything, guys. It's not funny to lose money. It's not funny. There you go. You see, Tesla's pushing. You see the tape, but already the tape stalled. So you just need to wait. You need to wait. Second push or third push. What does that mean? What does that mean? Pushes.
Long signal
The market
ES.
pushes.
Long
sometimes
signal
these guys,
Aapl.
the ones
Long
that
signal
push the
ES.
market, stall, and then you need to wait. Okay, so you see. Then you can wait the second push. Let this guy sell.
Long signal Tesla.
And you can enter a second push. But you need to be aware of the tape. Okay.
Order submitted.
Okay, we're gonna wait the second push.
Order
Okay,
filled.
there we go. We already have a cushion, guys. Remember. Oh, that lagging data, guys.
Target
But still,
filled.
we're in profit.
Target filled.
There you go. You see how this
Target
stocks
filled.
really move the market, guys. This is wonderful. The correlation of these markets, and correlation told us over here. Here is the dot, so you can see it. Here's the dot. It told us, hey guys, we're correlating. Go. Okay, I can hear, the signal too from the chart, and I can go long or short. Okay, so that gives me another confidence that we're going long or we're going short. Okay, so winning money in these markets right now, guys, is very difficult. It's very difficult. The more information you have, the better. Put those computers to work, guys. Those i7s and all these, computers that are very expensive. They're just working 5% of their capacity. Put them to work because the market is algo driven these days. So it's very difficult for you to win just watching a 5-minute chart or whatever. You know how these markets move. They can, at bar close, they can reverse the market. So if you go long on a 5-minute candle, these guys, when the candle close, they push the market against you and stop you out. So it's very difficult to hear that. So you need to have more information. More information is very important. The more information you have, the better you will be as a trader. And what if the market calls you, tells you, you heard about Apple, you heard about all this stocks that were going up, the Qs and the you know. So it's very important, guys. I can't stress that anymore. It's very important. You can hear the sounds. You can do it. You can take your trades carefully. If you hear longs, all those fours, other instrument, the spider, the Qs, Amazon, Facebook, Google, Apple, IBM. Those are companies that those are the bigger companies. So you need to be aware of that. If you hear that, you are in the wrong, in the right direction. Okay, so if you're gonna go long, you say, okay, so everybody's long, so I'm looking to go long. Okay, so that's an extra layer, that you need to add to your trading. Okay, I know paying extra fees for data is like $100 a month. So it's worth it, guys. It's worth every penny because you're lacking of. It's like you're buying a PC and you're not buying a monitor, okay, so or a mouse. You need to complement because these markets. I see lots of people, always struggling, trading against the market and everything. Okay, so here it is, guys. You just get another data provider. Just stick to it and just hear the noise. The noise will tell you where the market is. All those stocks, move millions and millions of shares a day. You will not be in the wrong side of the market. Don't get caught, guys, in the wrong side of the market. Okay, so if you're interested in the system, guys, there's a link in the description of this video. You can contact me. If you want to trade stocks, you can trade stocks too. Okay, so if you want to trade futures, that's our specialty, futures. And if you want to trade forex, you can trade forex too.
Long
Okay,
signal
so
SPY.
everything, you can do everything. You see the SPY going up. So why would you go short, guys? Why would you go short? You see the imbalance telling you 1,200 contracts up. The micro ES 810 contracts up. The Nasdaq is doing nothing. So we just need to wait. Okay. Okay, guys. So it was a pleasure talking to you a bit. Okay, if you're interested in the system, like I said, there's a link in the description of this video. You can contact me.
Short
There's my
signal and
email
Q.
information. Okay. So
Short signal Tesla.
thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.